Hey, how was your yoga practice this morning?
What? Yoga practice? I'm sorry, but yoga as we know it has been eviscerated by the John Friend scandal.
Oh, maybe that's why no one showed up for my morning gentle yoga flow yourself out into the world of cosmic I don't know what I am saying love space class.
I'm sure that was the reason. Yoga, and as far as we know, Tantra, have ceased to be, ever since John Friend made a boo-boo and his Shri retracted itself into the primordial cosmos, where it has promised to remain hidden for the next 1,000 years.
Really?
Yes. Because of this, the ancient tradition of yoga, as well as the study and practice of Tantra, will be turned off.
Then who will come to my morning gentle yoga flow yourself out into the world of cosmic I don't know what I am saying love space class?
I'm not sure.
But I thought yoga could be whatever you wanted it to be. Dina Flynn says that there are as many yoga as there are people. Surely this new yoga I invented will survive the fallout of the John Friend scandal.
No. According to tantric scholar Douglas Brooks, irreparable harm has descended upon the yoga community. Therefore, we must allow yoga to recede into the great abyss.
But what if I just simply express myself in a way that looks a bit like yoga, but also a bit like me dancing around like a drunk frat boy and then call it yoga? Will I still be able to do yoga?
I don't think so. Both yoga and tantra, despite having survived thousands of years of abuse, have finally been beaten by the true master.
The true master?
In his infinite arrogance, the white man feels that even the simple common transgressions of his penis are enough to destroy the undestroyable.
The white man sounds really tough. He must have a very powerful penis.
Yes. The white man's penis is the axis upon which the cosmos turns. So it is to be expected that when the white man's penis does something wrong, the entire universe, and all the spiritual traditions therein, will be affected.
Will the white man's penis also destroy my new yoga business? Yesterday I invented 326 new signature poses and have been trying to get them copywritten. Will they too be engulfed by the imploding sea caused by the fall of yoga?
Yes. If you call whatever it is you are talking about yoga, it will be destroyed by the white man's penis.
Perhaps I should find a way to grow a penis as powerful as the white man's penis in order to avert the fall of humanity.
That would be impossible. There is only one thing that can drain the white man of his penis power.
What is that?
This. Or an eraser.